Hey Martin, so I just wanted to show you what I'm seeing. Okay, so I see obviously you're viewing this. Um, so when I go click here, right? So here, let me just show you. So this conversation, I show her, hey, please address this. We go back and forth for a minute, which you probably saw, and she gave me this weird link that was just, yeah. All right, so then we scroll down here, and then she returns with this. So she stated that she logged in and it was in the help area, which is weird because I assume that it pops up exactly as it pops up for us, like this. All right, so this is my experience right now. This is the um, become link using the email she gave me that she mentioned down below. So if you see here, and there you go. So I don't I don't know what to do because it's just weird. So she's able to apparently get in and open up this in some other area, but I can't get past this. So I'm not sure what's going on. So I did notice like a couple days ago when they were doing some. I'm assuming it's because some of the updates they update the terms of service, or for whatever reason, maybe this just goes out with some of the updates. I don't know. Um, but a handful of the accounts, I had to have a number of members go through this again. A couple times they had to go through twice. So, including myself, my own account, I've had to do this. This would pop up, and I've had to scroll down and clear it a number of times. Okay, so, all right. Maybe you can help me understand what's going on here.